R.C. Brayshaw and Company. Today we're running a special project on our brand new Heidelberg XL106. It's an every door direct mailer, and I'd like to tell you a little more about it.
Today we are on press with a large every door direct mailer. This is a 230,000 piece run, which puts it on the larger end of our typical mail campaigns. Our Heidelberg XL106 can print on sheets up to 29 by 41 inches, double-sided, full color, in a single pass, which makes this press and R.C. Brayshaw a perfect fit for your high-volume mailings and print projects. With our extensive quality control procedures, our processes ensure your print project will meet the highest quality standards. Once complete, the press sheets are transferred to our post-press finishing and mailing departments. Here to tell you more about that, our Director of Mailing and Data Services, Russ Willey.
Hi, I'm Russ Willey, Director of Mailing and Data Services here at R.C. Brayshaw. Today we're working on an every door direct mailer, or EDDM for short. It's a saturation-based form of direct mail where all residents and visitors on a specific carrier route will receive a copy of the mailer. Now that the mailers are off the press, we are tasked with cutting, bundling, banding, and palletizing them before they make the trip to the post office. The first step is cutting each mailer off the parent sheet. The sheets are weighed out in stacks of 100 with a slip sheet laid between stacks to make separation of the cut bundles much easier. With the ability to cut through 400 sheets at a time, up to 1,600 mailers can be cut in a single session. Per the USPS requirements, EDDM mailers cannot exceed bundles of 100 pieces. The 100-piece bundles are then separated from the main stacks and staggered for faster processing through the weigh station and the banding station. In some cases, certain postal routes will not have 100 locations to ship to, so the 100-piece bundle has to be broken down. This is done by the weight of each piece. Then a bundle is tagged and ready for banding. Once a bundle has a facing sheet, it needs to be banded. Again, per USPS requirements, a minimum of 2 bands, one horizontal and one vertical, need to be applied. Auto-strapping tools like the two shown make this process a great deal faster. Once banded, the bundles then need to be palletized for delivery to the post office. These pallets are sorted by zip code and are tagged during the wrapping process. Great care and a methodical approach to stacking the pallets is used to make sure larger pallet sizes make the trip safely to their destination. The final steps in the process require the pallet to be securely wrapped and tagged with its destination zip code. After that, the pallet is staged and finally loaded on the truck for delivery to the main sorting facility.